I'm super excited to take you to the 3 caves I explored in Hong Kong. One is pink and I named it Grandma Cave. I'll let you know in a bit why. And then we also went to the Twisted Cave and the Mars Cave. Oh my god, it's really cool. I can't wait to take you guys there. Let's go! We bought our own lunch that day, so we headed out to Clearwater Bay First Beach for a quick lunch and a short break before heading out to the next 2 caves. There's a public bathroom at the beach and a small shop for you to buy water and replenish your liquids if needed. Vaguely, the 2 caves are on your right when you head out from the first beach. It's quite small and hard to find, so you better do some research before you head off for this adventure.